Ever wondered what it would be like to join the high-octane world of devils and chainsaws? Before you dive in, please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. The celebration of Nappa's 15th anniversary brought more than just cake. It unleashed a wave of exciting news for fans of a fresh trailer dropped confirming season 2 is happening. But that wasn't all. A brand new video game was also revealed. The trailer immediately captivated viewers with its vibrant animation and chaotic energy. It felt like stepping right into the anime itself. Uh, Expect to see familiar faces preparing for battle. And this first adventure is, set during part 1 of the story, filling in gaps between the movie and the upcoming. The game introduces a unique devil, a Rubik's Cube devil. Uh, Santa Claus and Quangxi also make appearances, hinting at their significant roles in season 2. And it's likely this mobile title will expand the source material, which the story could eventually adapt later arcs, bringing characters like Asa and Yoru into the game. Expect new content to keep unfolding alongside the anime adaptation. However, there's a catch of the sea. This is almost certainly a gacha game, meaning players will collect characters through randomized draws. Stars next to key heroes in the trailer hint at this system. While it's disappointing for some, hopefully the gameplay will be enjoyable enough to overlook the monetization aspects nettle-free, and it'll take skill and luck to build a powerful team of devil hunters. And saving. And imagine Denji trying to afford all those pulls. He'd probably have to sell even more body parts. Let's hope this game doesn't drain your wallets quite as much. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.